Hi guys, this time I will tell you a tutorial how to add app shortcuts to the Android home screen. So let's get started. It doesn't take many steps to add an app to the home screen. You just long tap the icon, then select the Add to Home Screen option. Repeat the steps to add other apps. Additionally, you can also add apps to the home screen directly when the app is installed. The way to do this is to go to Android Settings. Open the home screen menu. Then enable the Add New Apps to Home Screen feature. Now I will try to install one of the apps on Google Play Store. And voila! The app is directly on the home screen without having to do the first step. That's all for this video tutorial. Hopefully it's useful.